Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload images to Claude AI. So let's say I'd like to ask Claude for a little bit of help analyzing a picture I might have taken with my phone of, let's say, something like a textbook problem. So I'm going to show you a picture right here. So let's say this is the picture that we've talked about, and it's just a simple set of calculus problems. So imagine you took that picture with your phone on your textbook instead, and you want to ask it for help analyzing that picture and maybe helping you understand it a little bit more. So simply sign into Claude and start a new chat. This is the default landing page. So if you're already here, no need to click anything else, but here's the new chat button at the top left for your information. So once you're here, go ahead and click on the plus button inside of the prompt box. Click on add files or photos, and then navigate to the picture you'd like to upload. So I'm going to upload this one, calculus.png. Just going to click on open, and now I can ask it to help. So just a quick and simple prompt for these kinds of things. The prompt, it isn't always necessary to have a super specific prompt, just as long as you're able to get the general idea of what you want to happen across. So as you can see here, it's broken down each problem into the steps and the concepts, and does a good job of explaining it in a way I might be able to understand. So that's just one application of Claude analyzing images, and really you can experiment and do whatever else you might want to do. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.